We're some of the folks, Greg, who got hail in Fort Worth last night. Kind of came on real quick and tried to avoid any car damage. But it's cooler and calmer today, but we're keeping our eyes on the rest of the week.
Yeah, for the rest of the week. And I was watching that storm, by the way, from my backyard.
Yeah.
And it just kind of weakened as it moved into our area. So we didn't get any of that yesterday. Kind of isolated yesterday. The storm potential will be a little more widespread across the area as we go through the week. So we are calling for weather alert days now for Wednesday and Thursday of this week. And roughly with that time frame, it will be after midnight, late Tuesday, going into early Wednesday. You see that 3 a.m. to 9 a.m., give or take a little bit with the timing with that. But we will have that first round of potentially severe thunderstorms moving in, and then again Thursday after midnight going into the early morning hours, and then this will get repeated later in the week as well, as we will have some very active weather. All modes of severe weather will be possible, especially with that first round of potentially severe storms late Tuesday going into the overnight on Wednesday. So please do stay updated, have a way to receive those warnings, and we'll be here keeping you updated as that forecast does change and we tweak that and make updates here over the next couple of days. For right now, though, it is nice and quiet out there, 52 degrees, getting you out to DFW Airport right now. The storms from yesterday, all that has exited the area. So it, again, will be a nice, pleasant day today. Now, as we get into Tuesday, though, we will have some showers maybe early in the day. But again, it won't be until maybe after midnight going into Wednesday morning. This is around 5 a.m. We begin to see those thunderstorms developing. We may see one or two out toward north and west as we get into the evening hours on Tuesday. But then widespread rain and thunderstorms expected, a little more likely anyway as we go through the day on Wednesday. Those will be moving off to the east as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening. Things may settle down a little bit before the next round of showers and thunderstorms begins to develop across the area late Wednesday going into Thursday. So again, there's that severe weather threat for late Tuesday night into Wednesday. We do have that slight risk, level 2, for damaging winds, the large hail, and that isolated tornado threat as well will be with us as we get into that Wednesday time frame overnight heading into early on Wednesday. Then as we transition on into a Thursday, this is around midnight, we'll have that next cluster of thunderstorms developing west of Dallas and Fort Worth. Those will move in as we go through the overnight hours. Once again, widespread thunderstorms expected across the area Thursday morning. As we get into Thursday afternoon, that too will begin to work its way on out of the area. So again, another little break between systems working their way across the area. And that severe weather threat, once again, we'll have a level 2 over a large part of North Texas, including most of the Metroplex. Damaging winds, large hail will be the main concern there with that enhanced risk in our far northeastern counties. And then as we transition on into Thursday night and Friday, we'll have that next round of what will be maybe some widespread rain. Some of this could be locally heavy as well as we get into Friday. You see going into Saturday, the first part of the weekend there on Friday and Saturday certainly will be wet. So we will have more widespread rain and thunderstorms, and we'll be assessing that severe potential later in the week as well. But rain chances right on through the upcoming weekend. So get ready for some very active weather this week. Right now we have weather alert days again for Wednesday and Thursday. Those temperatures in the mid 80s. We will start to cool down as we head toward the end of the week, with rain chances continuing right through next Sunday. Looks like the second half of the 14-day forecast does have some drier, cooler weather to talk about. So we look forward to that. All right.